My name is Ingo Weber. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Digital Insurance Group. I have also Ron Dwering with me, our CTO and also a co-founder. We created DIG last year through the merger of Knip and Comparu, two innovators in the insurtech field. Knip is Europe's first digital broker that has been disrupting the insurance industry using data and technology to roll out supervised robo-advice to consumers. Comparu started building leading insurance web portals and has quickly become a market leader, providing software as a service and technology to brokers, insurers, and publishers. DIG is a next-generation technology partner to insurers, banks, and brokers. So we've combined the technology and expertise to build a new data-driven platform which allows our customers to roll out new digital solutions at record speed. So we're addressing the problems of two stakeholders. So one, you got the insured or the insurance customers. On the other side, you have the insurers. So the insured, he has many questions, right? So what are my needs? What kind of policies do I have? Am I underinsured or overinsured? There is a messy claims process. There is no one-click, on-demand shopping experience. On the other side, you have thousands of insurers, and they typically have two major problems. So first is there is a lack of new sales, and the question of how do I get access to new customer segments. Second problem is retention. But as you all know, the biggest issue for insurers and banks is that they have a very, very complex IT architecture. So rolling out new digital propositions to customers is very difficult and time-consuming. So that's where we come in as DIG. We help insurers and banks to launch new digital propositions quickly. And Roland will explain to you how we do that.
Hello, my name is Ron Dwering. I'm the CTO of the Digital Insurance Group, and I want to tell a bit more about the technology within our company. So I'll start with the product API. We connected in the past to many different systems, from really modern RESTful APIs with nice documentation and test environments, but practically in the insurance world, this is not the case. We connected to Asian SOAP systems and even up to old COBOL applications just to get this pricing right. So we took this learning in order to make a product, a new API, and which is very flexible in terms of connectivity and also of normalization of the data. On top of that, we built a user interface so our developers can quickly drag and drop a resource together, add resources, and in this way really make the time to market really small. So what I would like to demonstrate you is the result of this. We created a product for one of our clients. It's called IAK. IAK is actually delivering a healthcare comparison tool, and they give this to big corporates. These corporates want to have like their own products, so we give them the healthcare insurances, but they want to give their own products, discounts, and even their own packages. So for instance, if they deliver this tool to Adidas, they can even give their employees some special sport discounts or something like that. So I'm gonna switch now to my laptop. In this case, I will just fill in my birth date and go to comparing the products. So what you see here, the first four are very well-known Dutch insurance companies, so we took their direct connection to them. And on the bottom, you see their own IAK product, which is based on their own data. So this shows the flexibility of our API that we can connect this together. Well, obviously, then you can change all kind of coverages. So in this case, we're going to change the dental coverage. And what I really like, you can see here in the details how the pricing is being built up, all in the API. And what I really liked about this tool always is that you can compare side by side and even search within their policy what your cover is for certain cases. Now let's select this one. We can even still adjust the whole package, so still with pricing, we want an extra package here, some options here, and all is changing the pricing. And then we want to add a partner, and this partner has a total different insurance wishes. Put in a new birth date. And yeah, we want to have this one. So now we can go to the funnel, What's happening here is that we're actually getting the questions dynamically generated on both insurance companies. The result will be that an email will be mailed to both partners, policy generated, and everything around that. So this really actually shows how much possibilities we have in the API stacking all the products together. Now what's going to show you next is I will put this little demo on play. This is our front end. Our front end is striving to reuse components both in mobile and web. So we only have to build all kind of packages once. So here you see a client onboarding in our app. And the result of this is, of course, a lot of customer data. This will be pushed to our customer API. Our customer API uses data pipeline to process data. So first you have the onboarding data, but later on there can be changing events. For instance, if the customer changes his marital status from single to married, this can have an impact on your policy. Maybe you want a legal expenses insurance, I don't know. So basically we can have all kind of events, but they can be either manual, but they can also be driven by external data. Think of BST2, which we can integrate, but also contextual data, which can come from your mobile app. All our applications can be deployed on-premise, so within the infrastructure of the bank insurance company. And we are a very test-driven company. So we make from everything tests, we immediately make screencasts of it and take learnings from that all in order to ensure the stability of our product.
So basically to wrap this up, so DIG is a next generation technology partner to insurers, banks and brokers, as Roland showed to you. We're very excited to work with leading brands. We work with leading insurers, for instance, Zurich Insurance is one of our customers. We also work with global banks like Bank Santander. We work with international brokers like Aon. And the question is, so why do people love to work with us? Multiple things. Number one is time to market. That's the biggest issue for insurers, bringing new propositions to the market. How do we do that? All our applications and solutions are built on top of the existing legacy system of the insurer, which means very quick, fast development cycles, very flexible deployment. Second point is we offer end-to-end customer journeys on one platform, including iOS, Android, web, and CRM. Third, we have a very strong API middleware, able to connect all kind of internal and external data and applications. We have our event-driven platform, which continuously optimizes profile and coverages. And finally, we're delivering projects for insurers on a global scale, right? So we're currently active in multiple countries in Europe as well as in Latin America. And of course, I mean, if you're an insurer, bank, or broker, and if you're interested in launching new propositions quickly, come and speak to us. We're at the booth. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay.